All right, folks, here we are. We're at Costco, and Shark Performance DuoClean Lift Away Upright Vacuum is on sale. On sale, $219, regular $289, and also the Shark AI Ultra Smart Robotic Vacuum is on sale also, $399, $319. I have not tried one of these. My family members had one and they liked it, so I'm not sure about this, but it's on sale. So if you need one, go after it. All right, the Shark Cordless Pro Stick Vacuum is on sale. $299 regular, $239.99 until the 26th. I got a bunch of them, folks. Come and get them. Here's another great deal, folks. Heavy-duty reversible tarps, 12 by 16 2-pack. These things are super thick. And the price is $22.99. I know it's not on sale, but that's a doggone good price. So if you catch them at your store, get them, because these things are great for dragging and hauling stuff all over the place and covering up your stuff too. Here's a great product here. It's the Scott's Turf Builder Weed and Feed, $84.99. That's the regular price, but this stuff works. I have used this stuff. It works. It's wet. You put it on there, it'll stick and it'll kill them. This stuff works really good. Get it for spring, folks. Get it while you can before it disappears on the shelves here at Costco. All right, now we're at Sam's, and they have the Shark Rotator Upright Vac, which is a lot lower than the others. And then they have the Shark Ultralight Pet. And this is for $139.98. So what a doggone good deal for the money. So all I can tell you right now is looks like a good deal here at Sam's for a little bit lower price, a little bit lower end model, but you can't beat it when you're going to buy a Shark for sure. So that's it for me, folks. Good luck, God bless, and works for me.